Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache on your Amazon Fire TV. Let's get started. First, on your TV and make sure your Fire TV is on the home screen. Now grab your Fire TV remote from the home screen, scroll down to the top and select settings. Next, scroll down and select application. Now choose main install application. This shows a list of all the apps you have on your Fire TV. Scroll down and select app that is causing problem. Once you open the app settings, select clear cache. Do not select clear data unless you want to sign out of the app. After you select clear cache, wait a few seconds and that's it. The cache is now cleared. That's how you clear cache on Amazon Fire TV. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.